Android Auto is the safer, easier way to use an Android phone while driving. This integrated system allows drivers to quickly access contacts, calendars, messaging, real-time traffic and navigation, and more than 100 third-party apps. No subscription or registration required. To get started, simply connect your Android device to the vehicle's USB media port. This will launch the Android Auto app on your device. While newer Android systems include this app by default, devices running Android 9 or older will need to manually install it first. In these cases, a prompt may appear to download it from Google Play. Now, within the Android Auto app on your device, you'll see a button to begin setup, like Get Started or Connect a Car. Go ahead and tap it. The app will now run through several steps of on-screen instructions. These may vary by device model, but include permission settings for managing calls and notifications, accessing device location, automatic launching, and more. After these steps, you're ready to use Android Auto. So let's look at the vehicle's multimedia display. There should be a prompt, so simply tap On to turn on Android Auto. And with that, you're all set up and ready to go. Just tap the tile on the home or menu screen to launch Android Auto. Using Android Auto is just as easy. Once you've launched the system, you can start controlling an Android interface using the vehicle's touchscreen display. On this new home screen, you'll see icons for Google Maps, phone, music, and other apps, all working straight off your Android device. There's also an exit icon that takes you back to the standard audio multimedia interface, or you can simply press the vehicle's home or menu button at any time.